students, welcome back. In this video, we will see numerical 2 and numerical 3 on the topic molarity. Numerical 2, calculate the molarity of the solution containing 20.7 gram of potassium carbonate. Molecular mass is equal to 138 gram per mole. Is dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Let us write what is given to us. We know that potassium carbonate is a solute and it is dissolved in water, that will be a solvent. Together it is making 500 ml of solution. So we will write what is given to us. Mass of K2CO3 is given, that is 20.7 gram. This is given to us. Next is molar mass of K2CO3 is equal to 138 gram per mole. This is also given. Now we can calculate number of moles of K2CO3 by using the formula mass of K2CO3 divided by molar mass of K2CO3, which will be equal to 20.7 gram divided by molar mass is 138 gram per mole, and the answer is 0.15 mole. Thus, we can calculate molarity, which will be equal to number of moles of K2CO3 upon volume of solution in ml into 1000. Now number of moles of K2CO3 is 0.15 mole upon volume is 500 into 1000. The answer of this is 0.3 mole per liter, or we can write it as 0.3 molar. Numerical 3. A solution is prepared by dissolving 18.25 gram of NaOH in distilled water to give 200 ml of solution. Calculate the molarity of the solution. From here we know that NaOH is a solute and water is our solvent. Let us write what is given to us. Given is mass of NaOH, that is a solute. It is given as 18.25 gram. Then molar mass of NaOH is not given to us. We can calculate it. Na, so it is 1 into 23 plus O, so it is 1 into 16 plus hydrogen, it is 1 into 1, which is giving us 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is 40 gram per mole. Also here volume of solution is given. So volume of solution is given as 200 ml. Now we can find out number of moles of NaOH, that is a solute, which will be equal to mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of NaOH, which will be equal to 18.25 gram upon 40 gram per mole. And this will be equal to 0.45 mole. Now we got number of moles of NaOH. We also have volume of solution with us. Hence we can find out molarity of the solution, which will be equal to number of moles of NaOH into divided by volume of solution. Now this is given in terms of ml. I'm multiplying here by 1000. So here it is 0.45 divided by volume is 200 into 1000, which is giving us the answer 2.3 mole per liters or 2.3 molar. That is capital L M. 2.3 molar is the answer. Thank you.